Hi, and welcome to another video on solving an exponential equation graphically. And this is a little slightly different because this has a b value in the exponential part, the 0.95. 210 times 0.95 to the x is equal to 84. So notice that this is decreasing if the b value is between 0 and 1. We have a positive coefficient. So let's go to the, go ahead and go over here to the Desmos and plot these two functions, the y equals 84, the solution part, and the 210 times 0.95 to the x power. So I already have a couple graphs on there. You can do one of two things. You can click on this and it'll turn those off and not erase them, or you can just get x them out and it'll erase them since we don't need them anymore. But you could keep them up there if you wanted to. Desmos allows you to do that. So let's take the first one. Let's call the first one y equals 84. And we'll go ahead and graph that. Enter. And again, notice because I've shifted this, that 84 wasn't visible. So I can pull this up. And of course you could zoom out if you wanted to find it, or zoom in. And now let's go ahead and graph this other part, the other half of the equation, 210 times 0.95 to the x power. Now, and I'm just going to put parentheses around that, 0.95, and then the exponent again is to hit the shift 6, which is the caret, and that is the x power. And now, I'm not seeing that anywhere here, so I'm going to zoom out. Oh, there it is. So I will zoom out as much as I need to. And now I'm going to have to graph this on my WAMAP. So obviously 210 is one of the ordered pairs, 0 and 210. And I can go over here and find, well, here it already highlights 17.864 and 84. So the solution to the equation is really the 17.864. The 84 just shows where it crosses that y equals 84 line. So the x value that makes this sentence over here true is the 17.864. So I could probably put in, let's see, if I click on this, that also gives me that's about 19.8 and then 76. I think I'm just going to use those 2 points. The point of intersection there, 17.864. So I can go over here, and I know it's 210, and that stays highlighted, fortunately, if you click on it. So I'll do the line first. It wants me to do all these, so 84. And again, I'm hoping that WAMAP is pretty generous, because 84 is kind of, well, that's definitely too high, so I'm going to clear that. So you can see, maybe I'll zoom in a little bit on WAMAP. Okay, so 84 is about halfway between 80, below 85. Oh, it's going a little higher than what my point. It goes a little above my pencil. Still going above the pencil tip. On the little low side, I guess. Let's try that. It's about 84, 85 right in there. Then click on the exponential, and we're going to go up to 210. Right, that's our y-intercept was 210. And then we have the point 17.864. And that is way over here. So really kind of off of our chart almost, but I'm just going to try it right there on the edge. I should have. Now if I grab that slider, that might be a little too far, but I'm going to try it and see if it works. Now I get to pick the point and say, this is the point of intersection right about, oops, that's a little off, so I might have to do the whole thing over again. Let's see what it tells me. Oh, I didn't write the point of intersection, but it gave me a green light on the graph, even though it's not that close. Got some inaccuracy there, but I can put that 17.864, comma 84. That's my ordered pair. And so submitting that. Yeah, even though my graph wasn't particularly accurate as I would have hoped, it gave me credit because there's a relative error that it allows in WAMAP. So anyway, I hope that video is helpful.